Today we are going to talk about how to make payments from Nigeria or any other country where you are not allowed to spend a certain amount of money when you are spending in dollars or in foreign currency. So in Nigeria, we some of the cards are capped at $10 per month, some $15 per month. So you see, when you want to make payment or make purchase of so certain amount of dollars, you see you have some restriction on your card. So to solve this, go to your favorite app store, mobile app store. Now search for an app called Cheaper Cash. We're going to use Cheaper Cash. There are some other apps, but let's use Cheaper Cash. I have it installed. This is the logo here. I have it installed. So download it. Now once you download it, launch it. Okay, let's launch mine. I logged out to show you something. So when you launch the app, this is what you get, this interface. Open free account. I have an account. This is for me to log in. Okay, open free account. Just because you don't have an account, just click on open free account. Once you click on open free account, an interface where you will have to choose a method to verify that you're the one, maybe through phone number or email will be there for you. Choose the one you like. Now a code will be sent to you. Enter the code, then go to the next page, then follow the prompts, fill out whatever you are asked to fill out, then you will get to create your account successfully. Then after that, you launch you get to have the interface where you see all the features, where to actually do a whole lot of things after you have verified your account. Now I'm going to stop this video, then log in and show you how to get a card. Okay, we're back. Now I've logged in. So once you have done everything right, you should have this interface too. You should get yourself here. So once you're here, let me take you through. Here, this is the home. Now here, this is where you do the transfer, the second icon down there. Okay, you can send money internationally and send digital dollars and all of that. Okay, now this is where you invest. If you want to invest in stock market and all of that, cryptos and all of that, you can do it from here too. Okay, now this last one here that says card, this is where you get card. Here I have two cards here. I have Nigerian card. This is my Visa card. I use it to make payments online. Then I have my dollar card. Okay, this is it. I use it to make payments online too. So since I have these things here, when you don't have any, when you come to this interface where you see cards, once you click it, you just have to follow the steps to get a card. Okay, they will tell you the amount you'll be charged for giving you a card and how much you should deposit and all of that. Just follow it, make the payment, and yeah, to make the payment, you actually have to come here, deposit some money to your Cheaper Cash account, the Cheaper Cash wallet. Okay, when you click on add cash, you'll see an account number. This is my account number. Once you click on the account number, then you go make some payments in Naira into that account number. Once you make payment to that account number, the money appears here on your balance. Okay, now with that, you can actually pay for your card and deposit some money into your card. Okay, it is as simple as that. Very simple and simple as you can actually imagine. So that brings us to the end of this class.